Embarkation Nation here. We're at 15016. It's a balcony. I'm gonna show you like a little. Excuse the mess here. We're already moved in. We already started this, but this is the bathroom. Really nice bathroom. Pretty decent sized shower, if you ask me. Bed, USB, a couch that turns into a bunk bed. That's really cool. TV and mirror. And let's come out here real quick. See or anything, but this is our view. Beautiful view. Did I shut it? No. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, refrigerator. Pretty nice. This does cost money. Just a heads up. This was from our Bon Voyage package. We kind of dipped into it already. Pretty decent sized TV as well. Outlets we've been already kind of using. European outlets. More drawers. We're doing Chloe's schoolwork here, so there's gonna be a lot of like, we had to bring our laptop and stuff like that to do her school because she does school from home, so we're lucky to be able to do it on the ship. So this is pretty much her desk area while she does schoolwork, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much it. 15016. It's a really nice room. Love it. And this is Embarkation Nation. Treat every day like it's Embarkation Day. Till next time.